Welcome back, everyone. We hope you like this video. We had fun making it. We hope you have fun watching it. Enjoy.
All right, so I'm gonna do we did our glaze coat, glass smooth top coat on this. You can see how awesome that looks. Now I'm gonna do our water-based urethane in our matte finish. So it's gonna make it dull. It's gonna be a really cool look. It's gonna have a very, very low sheen, if any at all. All right, so here we go. Just gonna roll down the middle like I always show you, because this stuff's gotta go on thin. It's designed to be put on really, really thin. I'm using a 3/8 nap roller. All I'm doing right now is just spreading it out real quick, and then I'll do my final back rolls once I get everything spread out and nice and even. So we hit our edges. Okay, now that I got it all done, everything's kind of coated on thin. I'm gonna do my final back roll. Just gonna do one pass. Another pass, overlapping just a little bit. Make sure you get your roller rolling good before you start doing that. But it's cool. This will be a really dull look, and it looks awesome. And I got a little bit in the corner there. Got a whitish tint to it, that way you can kind of see where you've rolled. It's not perfectly clear. Once this starts to dry, it'll go completely clear. So again, guys, I'm rolling it fast, making sure it's spread out really thin. Now I'm going to do my final back roll. Notice I have the hook of the roller handle on my right side. That way it's lighter over here and it's not leaving a thick edge. It's more of a feather edge. And I'm overlapping it and just rolling it out real thin. Like I said, this stuff goes a long ways. Like, I've hardly used any of this. And that's what it's designed to be, rolled out super thin. Super easy to apply, guys. I mean, it's no different than painting. Look how fast I'm working. It's made to go on really, really thin, and that's what gives it the extreme durability and scratch resistance. Now my final back roll. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, comment below, share the video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our channel. While you do that, make sure you click the bell button. That's gonna turn your notifications on. That way you're emailed or notified every time we post a new video. That way you guys don't miss anything. We wanna give a special thanks to everyone that's helped us get this far on our YouTube channel. We couldn't have done it without you, all your likes, all your shares, your comments, everything. We really do appreciate it. We love what we do. We love to show you guys new techniques, new tricks, and kind of all the limits that you can do with our products. Thanks again, and remember, Leggari.com has you covered.